So, you're in the market for a budget mechanical keyboard that works for office tasks, personal use, and casual gaming? Well, lucky for you, I think I've just found the best one. So, this is the Kisnt Wireless Mechanical Keyboard, which claims to deliver a quote, creamy, satisfying, talky sound. We'll see about that. In the box here, we get a switch-in keycap puller, a braided USB-C cable, some extra keycaps for further customization, and some extra pre-looped switches from Kisnt. What are my first impressions? The keyboard looks great with a modern retro design. Looks like it has pop-up feet with 2 levels. Here we can switch from Windows to Mac, we have the magnetic dongle and connectivity options. Let's see how it sounds. That's promising, alright. Now, on with the review. First up, let's talk about the build quality and design. This keyboard has PBT keycaps, which look and feel premium. However, the outer shell feels a bit plasticky and isn't the sturdiest. It's not weak by any means, perfectly fine for normal use, but if you tend to be rough with your keyboards, you might want to handle with care. It has a 75% layout, which I think is the perfect size for most people. It's compact, functional, and aesthetically pleasing. Next up, let's talk about the switches and typing experience. This keyboard comes stock with pre-lubed Kisnt linear switches, and they sound amazing. Here's a quick sound test. Not only do these keyboards sound great, but they're also super smooth and comfortable to type on, making every keystroke feel ever so effortless. As per the customization of the keyboard, this keyboard is hot swappable with both 3-pin and 5-pin switches. The keyboard also features really great RGB lighting with multiple modes that just looks fantastic. Don't take my word for it. Another great thing about this keyboard is that it has a gasket-mounted design with silicone plates and sound dampening foam, a feature usually found in premium keyboards. Now let's talk about the connectivity options. First, you can connect in wired via the braided USB-C cable that came in the box. If you do so, you can flip over the keyboard and find that you have very nice routers for the cable. the USB-C connects right there in the middle, and then you can reroute it out here, or there, making it a great option for cable management. The next option for wireless connection is Bluetooth. This keyboard can actually connect up to 3 devices. Last but not least, you can use the dongle, which I've been using, stored in the back. It magnetically attaches so it wouldn't get lost, and it's still easy to pull out. Pretty cool. Also, another thing that's worth mentioning is that it has adjustable feet with 2 levels. This is great for those wanting a different posture for using the keyboard. Next, let's talk about the pricing and value. This is where I believe the keyboard truly stands out. Now, the keyboard is priced at around $40, and at that price, it outperforms similarly priced competition in sound and feel. This sounds way better than most budget options. Connectivity. This provides 3 options: wired Bluetooth and 2.5 GHz wireless wired dongle, something you just don't see in keyboards at this price point. RGB lighting. It has really good RGB, which is vibrant and customizable. Lastly, you have a gasket mounted design, which is incredibly rare at this price point. So, what's my final verdict? Well, this keyboard delivers incredibly creamy and talky sound, a satisfying typing experience, great RGB, hot swap functionality, wireless connectivity, and premium features such as a gasket mounted structure, all just for $40. Now, as per the downsides, there really are only two. Firstly, the outer shell is just a little bit flimsy. And second, as I mentioned before, it's a shame that the software isn't safe to download, or there would be so many more options for the RGB. But aside from that, if you're a keyboard enthusiast looking for an affordable yet high quality, creamy and talky sounding mechanical keyboard with amazing sound and feel, this one's really a no-brainer. For the price, I'd say that this keyboard is the best value for money keyboard out there. So go ahead and buy it. I'll catch you on the next one.